Europe, the continent that shaped the world. What if I told you there is a continent where ancient empires, breathtaking landscapes, revolutionary ideas, and modern innovation all exist side by side? Welcome to Europe, a place where history isn't just remembered, it's lived. From the romantic streets of Paris to the snowy peaks of the Alps, from Roman ruins to cutting-edge technology hubs, Europe is not just a continent. It's a story that continues to shape our world. Let's explore it together. Keycap 1 Basic Introduction. Europe is home to more than 740 million people and over 40 countries, each with its own culture, language, and identity. At its political and economic center stands the European Union, a unique partnership that promotes cooperation, trade, and peace across the continent. But Europe is far more than politics, it's diversity, unity, tradition, and progress combined. Geography and natural beauty. Geographically, Europe is incredibly diverse. You'll find the majestic Alps stretching across multiple countries, the dramatic cliffs of Norway's fjords, the Mediterranean beaches of Spain and Italy, and the northern lights dancing across Scandinavia. The Mediterranean Sea has connected civilizations for thousands of years, shaping trade, culture, and exploration. From Iceland's volcanoes to Greece's islands, Europe offers landscapes that feel like different worlds within one continent. A continent of history. Europe's history has influenced nearly every corner of the globe. The mighty Roman Empire laid the foundations of modern law, architecture, and governance. The Renaissance began in Florence, transforming art, science, and human thought forever. The Industrial Revolution, which began in Britain, changed the global economy and the way humans live and work. Yes, Europe has seen wars and challenges, but it has also shown resilience, rebuilding itself into one of the most stable and prosperous regions in the world. Culture, lifestyle and identity. Europe is culture in motion. It's the elegance of Paris, the creativity of Berlin, the history of Rome, and the innovation of Stockholm. It's classical music from Mozart, football passion in England and Spain, fashion weeks in Milan, and cozy cafes in Vienna. European lifestyle values balance, work, family, travel, food, and quality of life. Healthcare systems, education standards, and social protections in many European countries are often ranked among the best globally. Economy and global influence. Europe is a global economic powerhouse. Countries like Germany lead in engineering and manufacturing. France influences global culture and luxury markets. Italy shapes design and automotive excellence. Meanwhile, countries like Sweden and Netherlands drive sustainability and innovation. Europe also plays a major role in global diplomacy, climate action, and international cooperation. Keycap 6 Why Europe Still Inspires. What makes Europe truly special is not just its past, but its future. It's a continent constantly evolving, welcoming ideas, diversity, and global talent. It's where tradition meets technology. Where centuries-old cathedrals stand beside modern skyscrapers. Where cultures blend, yet identities remain strong. Europe teaches us that unity doesn't mean uniformity. So whether you live here, dream of visiting, or simply admire its history, Europe remains one of the most influential and inspiring places on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey across Europe, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments. Which European country inspires you the most and why? See you in the next videos.